What is going on, guys? So I decided to make this video happen because a lot of people were commenting on my old video. So how could we get up the audio experience on a Stock Rom? It's both Rockus 400 and it's a Bluetooth headphone, lightweight, but feels a bit heavy when you wear it for a long time. The main controls are on the right cup. There is a play pause button. So how do we flash Viper4Arise on Stock Rom? As you can see, I'm using the Motorola's February security patch Stock Rom, which I just recently flashed, and I also have TWRP installed. Before installing Viper4Arise, you need recovery to be installed. I'll link the video below here to watch the video where you can flash the recovery mode on your phone. You need to download the Arise zip file. I prefer the 2.94 version of TWRP You can select the features that you need. If you're it just asks if you're a new user or experienced user. You can edit the core modules and choose them one by one if you're already experienced with flashing Arise, or you can just leave it to default and select the basic user and it will just flash Viper4Arise. But I'll go into core user and I'll remove the debriefer, and I also insert the permissive script, and I prefer to uninstall music effects, but that's not there in the Stock Rom, so you don't need to worry. If you are in the Stock Rom, there won't be any music effects. If you are on a Samsung Stock Rom or any other Stock Rom that contains an equalizer app, you need to manually remove it from the system and then get started with flashing this thing. Else the Viper4Arise will break and get conflict with the inbuilt audio equalizer. So remove it and then get started with flashing this. After the flashing is done, you can just reboot the system and you will see the Viper4Arise app on your home screen. The reboot might take long. It took around 2 minutes. I have skipped the video. It might take a lot of time depending on the number of apps you have. So be patient. Do not do anything while the phone is rebooting. After the phone reboots, you can see the Viper4Arise app, and you can open it, grant permissions, and you can configure the equalizer, download profiles as much as you want. I'll link the XDA thread below in case you want to check out multiple profiles and IRS files below. And that's it. Enjoy your ultimate music experience. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.